Hello students, welcome back to Moral Maths. So in this video, I am going to explain the concept of pair of linear equation, top 10 most important question other than word problems. The first question based on substitution method. So there are three methods in pair of linear equation: substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication, but this year class multiplication deleted, and one method is called special method. So the first problem based on substitution method, but here the pair of linear equation, the coefficients are decimal. So whenever the coefficients are decimal, to avoid unnecessary calculation, first convert the decimal to integer and then solve by substitution method. So here 0.2x plus 0.2y equal to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. So all the 6 numbers are decimal number with 1 digit. So multiply by 10. If you multiply by 10, you will get 2x plus 3y equal to 13, 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Correct. Now substitution. Substitution method is nothing but take any one equation, write one function, that is one variable in terms of other. For example, if you take first equation 2x plus 3y equal to 13, 2x equal to 13 minus 3y, what is x equal to? 13 minus 3y by 2, 13 minus 3y by 2. So this x derived from first equation, assume that equation is 3. Substitute this equation in second one, taking equation 2 and replace x by, the equation 2 is what? 4x plus 5y equal to 23, but replace this x by this expression 4 into 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y plus equal to 23. So now this equation becomes linear equation in one variable. So if you cross multiply, these two gets cancelled. 2 into 13, 26 minus 6y plus 5y equal to this 6y minus 6y plus 5y minus y equal to 23 minus 26, which is equal to minus 3, minus y equal to minus 3, therefore y equal to 3. Substitute y equal to 3 in equation 3. Substitute y equal to 3 in equation 3. If you substitute y equal to 3 here, 13 minus 3 into 3, 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 by 2 equal to 2. Therefore, the solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Again, I will explain. Take any one equation, write one variable in terms of other, substitute that expression in the remaining linear equation. You will get what value of one variable. Substitute either in 1 or in 2 or in 3, but always substitute in equation 3. This is by using substitution method. So next problem, by using elimination method. Second method, elimination method. Rewrite the given equation in standard form. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. You can rewrite this as 3x minus 5y equal to 4. And second equation is 9x equal to 2y plus 4. So 9x minus 2y equal to 7. If you want to apply elimination method, you have to eliminate any one variable. Well, you can eliminate any one variable only when the coefficient is same. How to convert the coefficient as same? By taking LCM of the particular variable. So here, so if I want to eliminate y, both the coefficients should be same. Here it is 5 and here it is 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 2 by 5. So if you multiply by 1 by 2, so 1 into 2. What is the equation implies? 6x minus 10y equal to 8. And multiply this equation by 5. 45x minus 10y equal to 535. Now if you both are same sign and hence subtract. If I subtract, these two gets cancelled. 6 minus 45 is minus 39 and 8 minus 35 is minus 27. So x equal to minus cancel, x equal to 27 by 39. Divide by 3, 3 9s are, 3 13s are. This is the value of x. So by converting the coefficient of same, y gets eliminated, you can find the value of x. Substitute x in either first equation or second equation. If you substitute in first equation, what is equation 1? 3x minus 5y equal to 4. 3 into x, what is x? 30 and 9 by 13 minus 5y equal to this. Now minus 5y equal to 4. Transpose to that side, minus 3 9s are 27 by 13. If I transpose to that side, minus 27 by 13. So 4 into 13, 52 minus 27 by 13. 52 minus 27 is 25. So here I can cancel 5. So what is y equal to? Minus 5 by 13. Y equal to minus 5 by 13. So two different methods, one is substitution method and this one is elimination method. And next sum, special method. When we can apply special method? Only when the problem is like this: ax plus by equal to some k and bx plus ay equal to some m. If the coefficients are interchanged with the same sign in the middle, you can apply the special method. What is the working rule for special method? Add both the equation, divide by the common factor, subtract both the equation, divide by the common factor. Simple working rule. Okay, so the given equation is 152x minus 378y equal to minus 74 and minus 378x plus 152y equal to minus 604. So these two are interchanged, correct? Now add. So if you add these two numbers, minus 226 yes, minus 226, and if I add a coefficient of y, minus 226 equal to minus 678. So divide both sides by, always it is divisible by the coefficient of x and y. Coefficient of x and y is always same. So if you divide by minus 226, this becomes x plus y equal to 3. So the first linear equation, whenever if you add both the linear equation, the new linear equation is always x plus y equal to some number. Next, if I subtract, now if I subtract, this becomes plus and this is minus. So 152 plus 378 equal to 530, minus 530 equal to 530. So divide by 530, the second linear equation is x minus y equal to 1. Okay, now rewrite the first equation again. The first linear equation is x plus y equal to 3. If I add 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. Substitute x equal to 2 here, the value of y is 1. So when you can apply special method, don't forget this, only when the coefficients are interchanged with the same sign, you can apply the special method. Add both the equation, divide by the common factor, and subtract both the equation, divide by the common factor. Next question, without drawing the graph, state whether the following pair of linear equation will represent intersecting lines, coincident lines, or parallel lines. The given equation is 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. If compare this with a1x plus b1y equal to c1 plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a1, a2, 6 and 2, b1, b2, minus 3, minus 1, and c1, c2, 10 by 9. Value of a1 by a2, 6 by 2 equal to 3, minus 3 by minus 1 equal to 3, and 10 by 9. Now compare all the ratios. So this is 3 equal to 10 by 9. So not equal. So what is the conclusion here? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This is condition for what? Inconsistent, and the lines are parallel. Conditions are inconsistent. Condition for inconsistent lines or system of linear equation, and hence the lines are parallel. Inconsistent means it never intersect. It never intersect means it is always parallel. So without drawing graph, to find the nature of linear equation, always check the ratio of coefficient of x, y, and constant term. Next important question, one of the tough question. Linear equation with constant coefficients. Linear equation with constant coefficient. Solve the following linear equation using elimination method. So here write in standard form 2ax minus 2by equal to a plus 4b equal to 0. You can keep the constant on left side alone, no issues. And 2bx plus 2ay plus b minus 4a equal to 0. This is equation 1 and equation 2. So if I want to apply elimination method, convert the coefficient either x or y as same. So if I want to eliminate y, both the coefficients should be same. Okay, 2 is there, and here b and here. So multiply by a, multiply by b. So multiply equation 1 by a and equation 2 by b. So if you multiply by a, what is the equation becomes? 2a square x minus 2aby plus a square plus 4ab. If I multiply equation 2 by b, 2b square x plus 2aby plus b square minus 4ab equal to 0. Now adding these two gets cancelled. correct. Now what are the common factors? Now 2a square x plus 2b square y plus a square plus b square, these two gets cancelled, plus a square plus b square equal to 0. Now I can take transpose these two terms to right side, that becomes what? Minus a square minus b square, minus a square minus b square. So again on left side I can take 2 outside and x outside, the remaining coefficients are a square plus b square. Now this two gets cancelled, 2x equal to minus 1. What is x equal to? Minus 1 by 2. So always focus more on this arithmetic operation and focus more on sign. Okay. Next, x equal to minus 1 by 2. I can substitute x equal to minus 1 by 2 either in equation 1 or equation 2. So if I substitute in equation 1, what is equation 1? 2ax minus 2by, 2ax, 2a into x minus 1 by 2 minus 2by plus a plus 4b equal to 0. So a cancel, and what is the value? Minus a minus 2by plus a plus 4b. Now I can cancel this. So what is the remaining case? Minus 2by equal to minus 4b, minus minus cancel, this is 2 times, and bb cancel. Therefore the value of y equal to 2. The final answer is x equal to minus 1 by 2 and y equal to 2. Whenever the problem of linear equation with a pair of linear equation with constant coefficients, always apply, if method is not mentioned, always apply elimination method, that is the better choice. Okay. And next sum is determine the value of k so that the following linear equation has no solution. The given pair of linear equation is 3k plus 1x plus 3y minus 2 transpose to that side plus 2, and k square plus 1x plus k minus 2y equal to 5. Comparing with a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. a1 is 3k plus 1 and a2 is k square plus 1, and b1 is 3 and b2 is k minus 2, c1 is 5 and c2 is 5. For no solution, what is the condition? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2, 3k plus 1 by k square plus 1 equal to 3 by k minus 2 equal to not equal to 2 by 5. This is the original condition. How to calculate the value of x? We have two level of solving. First take first two expression, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. So if I take a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, I can cross multiply 3k plus 1 into k minus 2 equal to 3 into k square plus 1. If I multiply here 3k square minus 6k plus k minus 2 equal to 3k square plus 3, these two gets cancelled. Okay, minus 6k plus k is minus 5k. I can transpose minus 2 to right side plus 2, minus 5k equal to 5, 5 cancel, k equal to minus 1, when k equal to minus 1. Now very important condition, this is not the final conclusion. When k equal to minus 1, prove that b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2 or a1 by a2 not equal to c1 by c2. But if you compare these two cases, this is simple, and hence I can take b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. I have to prove that. So what is b1 by b2? b1 equal to, this is b1 by b2, 3 by k minus 2, 3 by, what is k? Minus 1 minus 2, 3 by minus 3. Actually this is 3 by minus 3, which is equal to minus 1, but c1 by c2 is 2 by 5. Therefore b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore when k equal to minus 1, the pair of linear equation has no solution. Very important, don't forget this extra step. After finding the value of k, using that value prove that either a1 by a2 not equal to c1 by c2 or b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. You have to prove either this or that. Then only you will get full mark in no solution type problems. Next, for what value of k the following system of linear equation has unique solution and no solution? Single problem but two different cases. Write the equation. The given equation is 2x plus ky equal to 1 and 3x minus 5y equal to this. Now rewrite, compare with this linear equation a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus B2y equal to C2. So every time write this A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Now we have two cases unique solution. For what value of k the pair of linear equation has unique solution? Condition for unique solution is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 2 by 3 not equal to B1 by B2 minus k by 5. If you cross multiply 3k not equal to minus 10, k not equal to minus 10 by 3. K can take any value other than minus 10 by 3. So the unique solution answer always contains unequal sign, k not equal to minus 10 by 3. Now second case, no solution. For no solution, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to, this is equal to 2 by 3 equal to minus k by 5 not equal to 1 by 7. So first, as usual, for no solution take this, if I take this condition 3k equal to minus 10, k equal to minus 10 by 3, also I have to prove previous sum already I explained, either a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 or b1 by b2 not sorry a1 by a2 not equal to c1 by c2 or b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Already a1 by a2 not equal to c1 by c2. So you have to prove this condition. What is the condition? B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. What is B1 by B2? B1 by B2 equal to K by minus 5, but K equal to minus 10 by 3 by minus 5. These two gets cancelled. This is 2 by 3. But what about this? This is not equal to 1 by 7 and hence B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. This is a complete solution for no solution. So no unique solution always contains equal to sign and no solution has equal to sign. Along with you have to verify this case, one of the very important problem which contains two cases, unique solution as well as no solution. And next important question, find the value of a and b. For what value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation has infinite many solution? One of the tough sum and very important sum. Infinitely many solution, but how many unknown constants are there? Two unknown constant a and b. Two unknown constant. You can find the value of a and b. But previously we have only one unknown constant, k for unique solution, k for no solution. But here we have two constant. So we can find the value of a and b. So now rewrite the given equation. The first equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 7, and second equation is, this is not in standard form. This is not in standard form. So this is capital A, capital A. A into x plus y minus b into x minus y equal to this. Actually this is not in the form of ax plus by plus c, but you have to rewrite this ax plus ay minus bx minus b plus by equal to this. Group all x on one term, a minus bx. Group these two and these two, correct? So plus a plus by equal to 3a plus b. This is equation 2 and this is equation 1. Comparing with a1 x plus b1 y, a1 equal to a1 b1 c1. So 2, 3, 7 and a2 b2 c2. This is a2, this is b2, this is c2. So 2 by a minus b, 3 by a plus b, 7 by this. Now one very important stage, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Whenever three expressions are there, in how many ways we can take one pair of this? We have three pair. Either we can take 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 or 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Out of three pair you can take two pair. That is enough for to find the value of a and b. Because we have two unknown constant, you have to take two pair. But among all these three pair, it has three lengthy expression. So and hence take this c1 by c2 only once, and other two values you can take more than one times. Now first take a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. You will get one linear equation. See here, taking first 2 by a minus b equal to 3 by a plus b. If you cross multiply 3a minus 3b equal to 2a plus 2b. 3a, group this side. 3a minus 2a equal to 2b plus 3b, a equal to 5b, a equal to 5b. Now taking last two. So what is last two? 3 by a plus b equal to 7 by 3 by a plus b equal to 7. Cross multiplying 7a plus 7b equal to 9a plus 3b minus 6. So 7a plus 7b transpose to this side, minus 9a minus 3b equal to this, 7a minus 9a minus 2a, 7b minus 3b 4b minus 6. Now this is one linear equation, this is another linear equation. I have to solve 3 and 4, but one important tips, this equation has only a and b, no constant term. Whenever one of the equation has no constant term, always apply substitution method. Instead of applying elimination method, always apply substitution. Wherever a is replace a by 5b. So 2 minus 2 into 5b plus 4b equal to minus 6, minus 10b plus 4b equal to minus 6, minus 6b equal to minus 6, and b equal to 1. And substitute b equal to 1 here. If I substitute b equal to 1 equal to here, a equal to 5 into 1, which is equal to 5. The value of a is 5 and value of b is 1. So one of the very important problem which is related with two unknown constant for infinitely many solution. For infinitely many solution, two unknown constant possible. Other two cases, two constant finding the value is not possible. Next, next two sums are very important. There is using graphical graph solve the following pair of linear equation. Last 8 sums, nature of linear equation and algebraic methods. Now graphical method. Represent the following pair of linear equation graphically. Write the coordinate point where the line intersect y-axis. Now first rewrite the given equation. The given equation is x plus 3y equal to 6 or x equal to 6 minus 3y. When x equal to 6, always substitute like this. When x equal to 6, what is y equal to? 6 equal to 6 minus 3y, 6 cancel, y equal to 0, this is over. And when x equal to 3, when x equal to 3, 3 equal to 6 minus 3y, 3y equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 3, y equal to 1. Similarly, when x equal to 0, when x equal to 0, a very simple method actually, I will explain a simple method. Always take two cases. When x equal to 0, when x equal to 0, what is the value? When x equal to 0, 6 minus 3y equal to 0. So what is y equal to? 3y equal to 6. What is y equal to 2? Again put y equal to 0. When y equal to 0, x equal to 6. This one. When y equal to 0, x equal to 6. And take any one random value. Random value. Next. Here. A second equation. Now what are the points? The points are 6, 0, 3, 1 and 0, 2. Write one variable in terms of other, take 3 points using the table and then write all the points from this table. Next, second equation, 2x minus 3y equal to 12, x equal to 12 plus 3y by this. As usual method, when y equal to 0, when y equal to 0, y equal to 0, what is x equal to? 6. When x equal to 0, when x equal to 0, substitute here actually, when x equal to 0, what is y equal to? Minus 4. These two are the standard values. So whenever if you take among these 3 points, 2 points are very simple. Take x equal to 0, find y, or take y equal to 0, find x. Both are nothing but point of intersection on x-axis and y-axis. And the third point, as usual, you can take any number. To avoid fractions, take the suitable number for the third option. Here the points are 0, minus 4, 6, 0, 3, minus 2. Now plot these 6 points in the graph. You will get the graph like this. Both the line intersect at what point? 6, 0. Therefore, the solution is 6, 0. 6 is value of x and 0 is value of y. This is a solution of pair of linear equation. But here one extra question is there. Where the line intersect y-axis, both the lines. Yes, the first line x plus 3y equal to 6 intersect y-axis at 0, 2 and another line intersect at 0, minus 4. You can practice different types of problems. Where does the line intersect y-axis? Where does the line intersect x-axis? What is the area of a triangle with respect to x-axis? What is the area of a triangle with respect to y-axis? Find the ratio of areas of a triangle and verify whether it is consistent or inconsistent. But this is consistent because it intersects. So you have around 10 types of graph in pair of linear equation chapter is there. Practice all the time, but working rule is same, only the conclusions are different. And the last important and very tough question is graph of 3 lines. But last question we discussed 2 lines, now 3 lines. As usual, the first equation is y equal to x and second equation is 3y equal to x, third equation x plus y equal to 8. So now these two equations have no constant term. Okay, so take x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and take x equal to 2, y equal to 2, because y equal to x, and x equal to 4, y equal to 4. And here take x equal to 0, y equal to 0. When x equal to 3, substitute 3 by 3. What is value of y? 1. When x equal to 6, y equal to 2. And x plus y equal to 8. As usual method, take x equal to 0, y 8, and y equal to 0, x equal to 8. And one third option, always take the simple data, which gives integral solution. When x equal to 4, substitute here y equal to 4. Okay, plot all the, so how many points are there? 0, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4. Here 0, 0, 3, 1, 6, 2, and 0, 8, 4, 4, and 8, 0. Correct. Now, using all the 9 points, if you plot in the graph, you will get 3 equations. But here, 2 lines passing through origin. What is the reason for 2 lines passing through the origin? Because the first line and second line has no constant term. Whenever the a linear equation or quadratic equation has no constant term, always it passing through the origin. If you plot all the 9 points, you will get the graph like this. But now here, question is not find the solution, because it is not pair of linear equation. It is system of linear equation. 3 equations are there, the graph is mentioned. Now question is also find the vertices of a triangle. So what are the vertices? One vertex is 0, 0, other vertex is 6, 2, and third vertex is 4, 4. So you can expect these 3 lines whenever the paper is very tough. Otherwise, no need to practice this. And in 2 lines, practice different types of conclusion based problems. So practice similar sums. You can get full mark in linear equation arithmetic part. Thank you.